Alright, welcome back. I want to do another quick video for the Knights Up. Just showing some local radar. Here's the Wilmington, Ohio radar. And as you can see to the north, there's some light to moderate snowfall. And then getting into some mixture to the south, just along the Ohio Valley. And then down into Kentucky, some heavy icing it looks like. So I'm going to pull up some reports on this radar. Let's do some loops real quick. See what we're working with. Um, Pretty much just a constant flow right along that mixture line. From the last video I just did, the 540 line running through the southern part of Ohio and then all the way down through into the western United States. But that warm moist air just being pushed aloft along that cold air mass that's to the north and just overriding that cold air mass and just causing a mixture and then snow well to the north. So let's go pull up some radars to the north here. Let's see what we got too. Here's northern Indiana into southern Michigan. Let's see where we're at. We are on the composite reflectivity. So if we play that loop, let's go up here to the GRR radar real quick into Michigan. This is stretching all the way up into Michigan. And then that looks like it's just dying out. And then we come back to the south. Let's go down here to St. Louis. And then we can get a loop there. And that looked like it had a, yeah, that one's just dying out also. Well, here's our mixture line coming down into southern Illinois. And then that's pretty much dying right in that area. And then we come over here to southern Indiana. And we still, Kentucky's just getting clobbered with, just looks like heavy ice fall in that mixture. We freezing rain, ice pellets, just a mixture all through that line. So getting to the red, and then the orange a little bit north of that, and then the snowfall to the north up into Indiana. So Paducah, download the latest loop. Now we can get still some heavy, look at that dark red just pushing through there, through Paducah, and just dropping the ice there. Let me pull up a, let me go ahead and pause this, get to the last screen, and we'll pull up any reports that we might have. So it doesn't look like anybody's reporting any thicknesses there. Let's go up here. Here we go. Get up in here into Louisville. Now we got some reports. Let's see, we got an ice storm being reported by a fire department. They are in an ice storm right there in what is this? Davies, Kentucky. Elizabethtown, freezing rain. They got 0.1 inches of freezing rain. We got 0.1 inches of freezing rain in Shepherdsville. 0.15 inches of freezing rain in Louisville. 0.20 inches of freezing rain in Henry, Kentucky. And 0.13 inches of freezing rain in Georgetown, Scott, Kentucky. So let's get up here to the north where we get into the snowfall. Let me get rid of these so I can click on a radar, and then we can pull up our reports there now. So now Waverly City, this is Pike, Ohio, Pike County, Ohio. Pike, it's in 1 mile southeast of Piketon. There's 2.5 inches reported of snow. 1.5 inches of snow up in Wilmington, Clinton County. And Independence, Kentucky. It's Kenton County. There's we've been reported 2 inches, 2.5 inches in Florence, Boone County, Kentucky, and 2.5 inches in Boone County, Kentucky at the airport. So anywhere from 2 to 2.5 inches. There's 1.5 in Wilmington, so 1.5 to 2.5 inches of snowfall. And then you get up to the north, you're getting about an inch. There's 1.3 inches of snow. That was reported by an ASOS in Franklin, Ohio. And then one reported by someone from the public at, and that was 1.4 inches of snow. So this thing stretching all the way down. Let's go shoot this thing all the way to down into Arkansas. That's Little Rock. So eastern Arkansas, we're showing frozen precipitation, and then some rainfall south of that. Right there in northern Mississippi. Let's see, Memphis, Tennessee. And then some scattered rain shower through central Mississippi. And then let's see what we got over here. Alabama. And then just pretty much scattered precipitation all through the southeast. Alright, so this is pretty cool radar. What I'll do with this later, we start getting some significant storms and some warnings. Then as far as rain, severe thunderstorms, I can actually take these radar programs I have and do cross sections and do some 3D. So we start getting into the severe weather season, then we'll start doing a lot more of that. But right now, with the snowfall, we're just keeping an eye on this. And they're reporting, like I said, an ice storm. So anywhere in that red, I mean, if they're reporting, this is the fire department reporting an ice storm. This is just limited to whoever reports that information. But looking at the radar, you can track that all the way up to the northeast of that. And Frankfurt. Let's see, let's go find another radar. Right here is, get rid of that stuff there. That's a little radar at Cincinnati Airport, so that's not really showing me much right now. I could go download it, but right now I'm on the composite reflectivity, so that's pretty much all levels put on a one screen as a composite. So actually, if we go, let's just do this real quick, show you what this radar can do. If I pull up a base reflectivity, let's see if this one will do it. Oh, we got to go to a base reflectivity on the surface, close to the surface at 0.5 degrees angle on the radar. And then we can go up in the upper level, so you can see the next level up, how it thins out. And then the level up above that thins out even more. And then the level above that even more. Well, this is still, you're getting up into a higher angle of that radar, and you're still showing that reflectivity. So there's going to be where your strongest ice is, because you're picking up all the way up into them upper levels of the radar. As that radar beam shoots up into the air, this precip only goes so high. It's climbing that high pressure system. That warm, moist air is pushing over that high pressure system, and then that precipitation it's cooling, condensating, reaching saturation and falling through that cold air mass of snow, or depending on those freezing levels, that mixed snow, and becoming ice. Freezing rain, ice storm, whatever. But you start picking up from the upper levels. You start seeing this stuff. This will be your areas of heavier precipitation, because that's where you're going to have, because it is moisture in the upper levels coming all the way down instead of just down there on the surface. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, once I got another program we'll run once we get into some severe weather. We can do cross sections across these heavier cells, and then you can actually see it from the side to get a side view of that and see how far up that shoots. And then also the best thing would be for like severe thunderstorms. We get into those major upper levels about 30,000-40,000 feet, then we can break the system, that storm down vertically, and then you can see where your higher reflectivity is, what parts of the storm, over what areas, and then any rotation, you can pick up that rotation. And then you can actually, if we catch a tornado on this radar, we can do a 3D rotation on that thing and actually cut that tornado in half, and then do a recording on it. So that's all I got for now. Just wanted to show you some local radars, and then basically introduce you to the radar system I have, and then we can start building our channel from here and get into the severe weather. Then we can definitely see some pretty cool stuff. So subscribe to the channel, hang in there, and we'll keep them coming. Thanks for watching.